My biggest breakthrough was actually releasing a lot of stuff to do with my mum, which connected to self-love and actually feeling love of people, which is something I keep saying to my family every single day. I can give it, I just find it really hard to receive. So opening my heart in a way where I actually see the value of myself. Come on, I'm 29, but I don't feel like an old 29. There's some people I know they're like crippled and they're just like an old 29. I feel like a 29-year-old that's in a 3-year-old's body. It's like, let's go do this, let's go do that. So that's how I feel, and it ruins my hair as well. Finding the money of having to book flights, having to find all of the reasons not to do it, whereas when you actually experience it, I can tell you this right now, the program that I got rid of was 20 years of stuff that I've had since a kid. It felt just like a release. So to anyone that has stuff that they want to fix in their life or want to improve in their life, just think, if I could get rid of that in 5 days, is it worth it? And if the answer is yes, do it.
Smash that like, share, and drop comments on 3 videos this week to grab your chance at 3 epic days with Skip at Supercharge Your Life. And hey, hit the subscribe button to never miss the fun.